Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here, and oh no, this is not going to be a work video. We are going shopping, my friend. We're getting out of the office and we're going to have a little getaway, and we're going to my friend's store, and many of you know her from the blog A Bowl Full of Lemons. Yes, Toni Hamersley, and she has a beautiful French-inspired store here in the beautiful town of Summerville, South Carolina, and I can't wait to take you there. And thanks to my friends, Regions Bank, member FDIC, for sponsoring this video because they are really invested in small businesses. So let's go shopping. So friends, I am so excited to take you through French Mercantile because it is truly that place for me now where when it gets a little stressful at work, I want to sneak away and come here because it's like a little getaway to France. Toni has did an amazing job curating items for her store that just blow you away. And every time I come here, there's just so many new treasures, and it's just a great getaway. And so I want to take you through and share this with you. But I also appreciate the fact that Regions Bank think about the small business owner, and they really have services that really help streamline a lot of processes for a small business. Which of course the benefit of that is that you're freed up to do more things that you enjoy doing, such as coming by French Mercantile and sniffing the wonderful candles. And boy, do they have a selection of candles. It is amazing. But you know what? Even if you don't live in Summerville, you can shop French Mercantile because they do virtual shopping. You can set an appointment. They'll get online with you, I think FaceTime or Zoom, and then they will walk you through the store and you can shop your items and then they ship them to you. And I think that is simply amazing, especially in the times we're in. You really can just enjoy a nice afternoon no matter where you're at. And that is what makes it so special here, because every time you come in here, you're going to get a new experience. And so I am really thankful that Toni even opened this store so that I have this little getaway. And I can truly see the love and care that Toni put into her store. It is just beautiful. And I wish you could really experience walking in. It smells amazing, the beautiful music. You feel like you're in France. It's really just a great experience. And I love listening to the customers. Every time I go in there, I like listening to the other customers talk because everyone is just enjoying the vibe, and it's just such a great experience for everyone. And as a business owner, that has to make her proud to know that she has put something in her community that is just such a treat for so many, people that live here and people that visit, And I know this is a special time for not only Toni, but for all of her friends out there that have been following her blog and her for so many years, to see her transition to this absolutely amazing new adventure in her life. And so definitely, if you want to come shop, you set up that appointment with Toni, and I'll put the information below, and come shop in French Mercantile. You will not be disappointed at all. So of course it's always hard checking out because you never want to leave the store. It's just so nice, but I always leave with a candle because I love the candles. You have to leave with the candle. And then I got a few more just extra special things. One thing that Toni hooked me on is to the gray salt, and she said it was amazing. So definitely do not leave without the salt. And then the other thing that I got was some and I got these actually for the holidays. I thought those were neat, but they're covers for your bowl covers, and I kept walking by them in the store, and I said, you know what, I want these. And these are great for the holidays. They are beautiful to cover your muffins at breakfast, so I just really liked that. I thought it was really cute and just perfect for my holiday tablescape. And of course, I do not leave there without a candle. I love their candles. And so it has the double wick, so you have that even burn. And then I got this ceramic scoop for my sister-in-law because, she cooks by eye. She doesn't measure, and this is perfect for her. And it's nice, deep, ceramic, heavy. Thought it was perfect. And then of course this dome, which you can use for so many things. And I got it because it's so versatile. You can use it for, appetizers. Just get a tray, or you can use it to put your candle on, as they do doing French Mercantile, you know, put it in your bathroom with soap. So any part of your home, you really can use this. And I love pieces that you can use in a variety of ways in your home. So friends, I had a wonderful time, a wonderful afternoon at French Mercantile. I so needed that getaway. You know, as a small business owner, it's hard. You know, we're, focused on so many things. We're focused on managing our business and really our teams and, your payroll and benefits and retirement plans and inventory. And there's all these things that just kind of pile up day after day after day. And so Regions Bank is really a beautiful thing because they have so many innovative ways to help streamline those processes for small business owners. So I am so happy to be able to not only share with you my community and small businesses within my community, but I'm also excited to share with you Regions Bank, because if you are a small business owner, you really, really should check them out and see what they have to offer, because it really can be life-changing for you in your processes and productivity as a small business owner. So I'll link that below so that you can definitely check that out. I hope you all are doing great. I will see you at the next video, and this is Nikki saying goodbye.